Prepare for mega swings.
Everyone's ready. I mean, if you are.
Ready to explore the stars? Why, I'm
Always ready.
My parrot. Take number
I'll
books.
miss you.
You don't have to. I'm taking you with me. I'm taking...
Using pebbles, rods, or bricks.
Sound.
Why, that would be me, of course. I'm feeling a tiny bit. Achoo!
That's one mega sneeze.
My parrot
You
watching.
think that's
No
impressive?
blocks.
Hold on to your blocks. You're going to love this. Prepare for launch in a...
Eat it. In... The square has landed.
喺亞洲最新最大嘅郵輪 Cruiscation 有幾好玩？穿梭海陸空，玩樂極限，飛天遁地，挑戰連場，體驗非凡住宿，探盡環球滋味。
You like alpha blocks? Even I don't like this show anyways. I'll let you watch it, okay? Luna, good girl.
Then let's take it away.
Okay, good girl.
Blocks alphabet song. And A.
Do you love this?
A.
What? Do you like this?
Where's B?
But do you want just to watch it alpha blocks?
Sorry.
Why do you want to watch alpha blocks? I know it's educational, but
And again.
you're okay. You can maybe record another video. Is that okay?
B. B.
No. Let's go back. Go back. Watch number blocks. Since you need to learn math, okay? Since I'm learning math, okay? Good girl.
Now is to plant the Square Club flag.
Fail. After this, you can watch SpongeBob. Is that okay? Okay.
Don't worry,
Good
little
girl.
one. I'll take care of this. And I promise.
No. I was watching here.
Hold on to your blocks. You're going to love this.
No, watching them.
Don't stop.
What if the number blocks each had a different name? Like Fling Plop,
Flinty Bun.
1826.
You'd have to count would be no different.
Right.
But you'd have to
Right. Okay. Good girl. Okay. Good girl.
New plus fling plus pop equals fun. What if 3 was the highest you could count to?
No. Don't. That's not good for you. That's not good for you.
counting sheep to get to sleep.
No. Don't bite. Oh, you're pruning this. Hey, that's not safe for you. That's chocolate. Come on, that's not safe for you. Watch. Look. Watch.
1 and 2 and 3 still equals 6. You could count it using pebbles, rods, or bricks, or sticks. Good flicks. What if there could be a number less than 0? You could draw it on a line to understand.
I didn't even know 0. Okay, you love this show.
There's a list that keeps on going.
-1, -2, -3.
How low could you go under number line?
After this, you'll watch Sesame Street. Is that okay? Since
Everything was yellow.
What if everything was flat?
What if 7 found a hectagon and wore it like a hat? What if 1 was made of jelly? What if 2 was made of cheese? What if beds were made of bubbles? What if pussies grew on trees? What if 1 was really massive? What if 10 was really small?
What if number
I'm having a
was
treat.
upside down? Which way would we fall?
What if you
No.
could spend forever
in a world that never ends.
on a wonderful adventure?
With your favorite number friends. There are many other questions you will find. So say whatever pops into
loves the
your
show.
mind. There are many other mysteries that still remain.
It's like I'm having a 3-year-old. Check my heat battery. 5%. Alright, now time.
Big adventure.
Alright, now time to watch Sesame Street. Since put Sesame Street. No. Let me just see where we can put Sesame Street. I almost swore. She knows how to even. No.
What about Mr. Noodle?
I just wish somebody would invent something so I wouldn't have.
Oscar! La 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 la, la 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 la, Elmo's world. La 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 la, la 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 la, Elmo's world. National television. Elmo didn't know the song. You're not coming to Sesame Street anymore.
Wait, Elmo! Listen to me. Elmo, listen. Listen. Elmo! Elmo!
Oh, what the heck? No.
Don't be afraid.
What camera is that? Camera one?
Oh, okay.
No problem going to the bathroom when you go and.
Oh, this is made for kids. Okay.
You're being Elmo. You're being. Elmo, you're being.
Why don't you watch SpongeBob? Is that okay? I'm watching.
Häagen-Dazs 全新 salted caramel
I can't even-
cappuccino. Take a coffee break. What happened to you?
What you don't want to watch SpongeBob? Do you know SpongeBob? Hey, what? You don't want to watch SpongeBob? Are you kidding me? You're just a baby. You don't. I think you'll get affect brain problems. What are you watching? Shrek? Oh, what are you doing? You're watching Shrek? You hate. No, I'm just recording something.
Everyone loves Krabby Patties.
Ew.
You know what we say? The only people who don't like a Krabby Patty have never tasted one.
That's me.
Alright, you don't want to watch TV? Okay.
Never